How to verify account and age on X. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the X2D application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen and then simply select on settings and privacy at the bottom. Now select on the security and account access option. Then tap on security at the top of the screen, and as you scroll down you'll be able to see the option of ID verification. So as you tap on ID verification, what it says is, let's just tap on it, and as we tap on ID verification, what it asks us is to have a premium. So let's just go back and check on it. So when you tap on ID verification, it asks us to have a premium version to verify ourselves. So if you want to have a premium, you can simply go back, and then what you can do is simply tap on the premium option on settings only, and you'll be able to see different packages that are available. You can select whichever is more convenient for you, and after that you can definitely verify account and age on X. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.